I'm Emily Poole, an instructional technology coach with the Learning Technology Center of Illinois, and I'm here with this month's tech tip. I'd like to show you a few ways that you can work a little more efficiently with your data inside of a Google Sheet. We're going to take a look at ways to sort your data, we're going to filter your data, and I'm going to show you some neat tricks to get color coding on your sheet automatically. Let's take a look. First thing I'd like to show you is how to just sort your data when you're looking at any specific column and you'd like it to go in order of some way. So let's take a look here at column B. And in column B, you can see I've asked what is your favorite type of ice cream, and they're all intermixed. Instead, I'd like them to be ordered A to Z. It's really easy in Google Sheets. Click the top of the column and there's a little drop down right there. Click the drop down and you'll see an option that allows you to sort the sheet A to Z or Z to A. And just like that, all of my responses are filtered alphabetically in column B. And you can see that all of the data across the rows has also been sorted along with the A to Z order that happened in column B. You can do that with any column in your data, making it really easy to sort things by the scores or alphabetically, and just a quick way to work in that A to Z. In column E, I'd like to set some conditional formatting so I can quickly see with color who voted for a waffle cone, a cake cone, or a bowl. Here's how to do it. You can click in your column, and then on my computer, it's a two-finger click, but open up that menu right there, and you can see conditional formatting. I'll click that. To the right opens up a sidebar, and the sidebar is where you're going to set the conditions and the output that you'd like to have. So in column E, E1 all the way through E174, currently the rule is if it's not empty, I want you to color it green. Instead, I'd like to code it a little differently. Click the drop down and choose text is exactly. And I would like the text to be exactly waffle cone. So if someone says waffle cone, I would like it to show up not in green. Instead, I'd like it to kind of get a waffle cone color or something close to that. When you're finished, click Done. Now in that same column, I'd like to add a different condition so that my data can pop. I'll go ahead and add another rule, and I'm going to say in this range, in E, if cells are exactly cake cone. And I'll pick a different color for cake cone. I'll go with a pink. And you can see here that you also have other options, the other formatting options that you're used to in the Google tools. You can use those to conditionally format your data as well. When you have it set as you would like, I'll add a bold. Click Done. Great. So that's how you can work with text and conditional formatting. Let's take a look in column F. On a scale of 1 to 5, where would you rank ice cream as a dessert? And we can use another type of conditional formatting to show a range of colors in there. I'm going to click on the F to get the entire column. However, if you want to just do a small range of data, you can click and highlight just that small range of data. I'll click the F. Now I'm going to, since my sidebar is already open, I can click Add Another Rule. This time, I'm going to be working with a color scale. So instead of a single color choice, I'm going to go with color scale. Here you can see it's applying to the range F1 through F174, and the minimum value, so my lowest number of people who ranked ice cream lowest, is going to get that bright green color. But if they ranked it a maximum value, which was a 5, it's going to be white. I want to change that. If you click on the default, Google offers you many preset choices on ways that you can have your data conditionally formatted. I would like it to be more of a green to red. So I'll click that, and there you can see that it is ranking my lower numbers green and the higher numbers in that red. You can, of course, customize it any way you would like over here by just changing it on the side. And that's another quick way to be able to look at your data. All right, the third piece of this tip is learning how to filter your data. I had 174 responses to my ice cream survey, but I am only interested really in the people that answered Bluebell or maybe Prairie Farms. And so I would like to be able to set up some filters so I can look at their data specifically. Here's how you can set a filter in a Google Sheet. To find the filter button, navigate to your menu bar and click Data and choose Filter Views. We're going to create a new filter view. You'll notice that a few changes happen. You kind of have this gray black bar around your work showing that you are in a filter creating mode. I'll first start by giving my filter a name, and that'll help later when you go to use your filter. I will name this filter Blue Bell. All right. And once I have that chosen, I'm going to go to the column where my Bluebell information is, where the actual filter is going to happen. There's a little icon that kind of looks like an inverted triangle in lines. Click that, and here you can see a few different options that you can do when you filter. We're going to be filtering by certain values here, and so that's why you can see the drop down of filter by values. And I want to only see those that are Bluebell. So I'm going to unclick anything else that is not Bluebell. When your selections are set the way that you would like and you have the one that you would like to filter for, just click OK. You'll now see that I am only viewing the results that say Bluebell. When you're finished, just click the X. Anytime you want to see that filter, you can navigate to Data, and you can go to Filter Views, and here you can see there is my Bluebell filter. Great, it's just right there. And at any time, you can also create additional filters. So let's take another look. Let's go to our Data, Filter Views, Create New Filter View. This one's kind of neat. You can actually filter by the color of a cell. Let's practice this on the one where we did the number scale of 1 to 5. Click the drop down and choose Filter by Color. And we are going to be looking for anything that's in this color here, this green color. So I'll click that, and there you go. We have a filter now that says people who voted 2 on ice cream as a dessert. These filters are set up, and if your data changes or if you have more forms come in, you can click to view these filters and it will keep updated with the information that you have. All right, hope you found these tips helpful in your working with Google Sheets, and join us back next month when we share from the LTC another quick tip to help you with your journey into technology. Thanks, have a great day.